All right, so as a student, you end up getting a student email account for your school. And the school where I teach at is no different. We give our students Outlook or Microsoft applications, and that includes Outlook. So they get a school email address that goes into an Outlook account. Now, I've had several questions how to forward or redirect those emails to their email account that they have already loaded on their phone without having to load yet another application. So that's what this that's what this video is all about. Okay, I'm already in Outlook, and you can see I've got my inbox out and all that stuff. I've currently got it on draft, so nothing's showing. Now, to get to my accounts, you're going to click on your picture located in the right-hand corner of the screen. From here, you're going to click on My Account. And we want to click on Settings. And if we do forward here, you'll see we have forward email to another email address. We're just going to click on that. So all we have to do now is click on Start Forwarding, and you're going to put in your alternate email address you want to use. And if you want to keep a copy of the forwarded messages just in case in your main email account, you're going to click this box. And that is all there is to it. Once you put that information in, you're going to go ahead and click on Save, and then you should be all set.